Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out the Ulta Beauty Lip Oil. So my sister actually got me these for my birthday and it was such a perfect gift to get me. She got me the raspberry scent and the mint scent. I feel like it's been such a long time since I tried out an Ulta Beauty product, which I love the Ulta Beauty brand. So I'm really excited to try these out. I also feel like I've been on a lip oil kick. Is it just me or are lip oils the new lip gloss? I really love them because they tend to be more moisturizing for my very dry and chapped lips, and they also have less stickiness usually than lip gloss. So I'm really excited to see how moisturizing this is going to be on my very dry and chapped lips right now. And so first I'm gonna start out with the mint. I really wanna smell this. Ooh, and I like the applicator. It's like a rounded paddle applicator. Oh my gosh. It is such a strong, true mint, basically I think I would say it's a peppermint. I'm kind of bad at identifying my different mints, but I would say it's peppermint. Oh, that is nice. I'm just gonna do a swatch, even though I'm pretty sure both of these are going to be clear. Yep. And then the raspberry. Let's see how this one smells. Oh my gosh. This smells so good too. I love how potent the fragrance is in these. And the raspberry, it's kind of giving me like a nostalgic raspberry. It smells just like, it's making me think of like something I would eat as a kid. Maybe like candy, raspberry slushies. It's like it smells like a blue raspberry. A blue raspberry dum-dum. That's what I think it smells exactly like. Oh, that smells so good. I couldn't stop smelling it. I was like smelling that for so long. We'll do a little swatch of this. Yes, so they're both clear as I expected, but they look very high shine, which is another reason I love lip oils, because I love a super shiny gloss. So for my lips, I think I'm gonna put on the mint because I'm curious if there's any cooling feeling. So let's see how it looks. Gosh, the smell is just so refreshing. Oh my gosh, it's seriously like magic. As soon as I rubbed my lips together, I felt all of the chapped, dry texture on my lips just completely go away. Oh my gosh. And my lips are now fully, completely moisturized, just immediately. That was like magic. Holy moly, I did not expect this to be so immediately transforming to my dry, very chapped lips. Like I did not actually expect this to completely hydrate them and smooth out my lips, but it's as if I have the most moisturized, smooth lips ever, whereas 1 second ago that was completely the opposite. Wow. Like that is amazing. Immediately, heals transformed my lips. And it looks beautiful. That shine. It does kind of have a cooling feel to it as well, which I love in a lip gloss. So it kind of looks like it plumped up my lips because it's so shiny that it helps my lips look more full, but also since it's so deeply moisturizing, my lips look way smoother, which I really like when my lips have a more smooth texture, appearance, less lines in my lips. And wow, like this is truly one of the most amazing lip oils I have ever tried. Yeah, much better than a gloss for all of those reasons. Like it just completely healed my extremely chapped lips. I cannot get over that. It's just so amazing to me that if I have dry, chapped, ugly looking lips, all I have to do is just throw this on and they will immediately be smooth, moisturized, beautifully glossy and smoothed out. Like, it's a miracle product to me. I did not expect to be so blown away by a lip oil, but this truly just blew me away. I'm so glad my sister gave me 2 of these because I love this. This is going to be a product that I reach for all the time. So if you've tried out the Ulta Beauty Lip Oil, definitely let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.